Leetcode's binary weight problem is a nice simple one and teaches you a few key techniques. The question is as follows. Given an integer like this, first of all convert it to binary, so 1, 1 would become 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 8 would become 1, and all these zeros. The binary weight is basically how many 1s exist in the binary string. So this one will be 3, this one will be 1. So I need to be returning 3 here and 1 here. Let's go ahead and start with x. The first thing to do is to convert it to a binary string, so we can use the built-in bin function. Let's pass x into this function and then print off b underneath. Okay, we get 0b1011. Now what's interesting about this, if I just quickly run this into the type function, we can see that the result is actually a string. And because it's a string, we could therefore use the methods associated with it being a string, of course. So what we can do is do count, and we can just say how many 1s appear in b. So in this case we get 3, so this one works just fine. Now let's try the same thing but with y. We should be getting 1 in this case, and we do. We could then make this a bit more concise, and rather than defining b and then doing b.count, we can just take this guy here, put this guy underneath, and there we go. We can do it as a nice little one-liner, and there we go, we get the same thing. Let's for good measure then pass in x, check we get 3, and we do. So this is just one simple solution to the binary weight problem. If you've got your own method, feel free to paste it in the comments. I'd love to see how you guys are solving the same problem.